Hi, everybody. Steve and Mel.
Hi, we're back.
And this is one of our first episodes. And what we're gonna do is somebody posted something on Facebook about a vibrator that they had that had died. And I, of course, said, well, hey, if you're gonna just get rid of it, I'll take it.
Because you could take the motor out.
You could take the motor out, and you never know.
Maybe it'll work. I don't know. Something could happen. Yeah. I don't know.
So he had drawn a little face on it. It was a little unhappy face. And then when he he's X'd out. and when he brought the box over, he's lying in state. So we decided what we're going to do is we're going to create a whole funeral scene
for him. He doesn't have a name yet either.
No,
we didn't think about that.
I have to come up with a name.
Yeah.
So that's what we're going to be doing next.
We're making a funeral scene for this sad vibrator. I started already drawing the pillow before we decided to do this. So
that's why
why there's a pillow there.
We did that.
Sorry.
All right.